Sup guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, we will be playing this game called Battle Cats. Let's play the first stage. What should I do? Oh, I gotta click this cat. But I need money. Let's get one now. I think it will attack that dog.
What the dog doing?
Let's place another cat, and let's speed this up. I think we won. Yes. Oh, I got a daily reward. 30 cat food. Oh, and a ticket. Okay, let's go clear the second stage. But before that, let's check these buttons real quick. This is the mission button. You're definitely not reading all that. Pause if you want to read. Now let's go see the store button. I think here where I could use the cat food. Okay, now let's check out the final button. I think this is a new cat. Let's go, we got a new cat. Let's go clear the second stage. Holy moly, we have for cats. Got our new cat. Let's go, we won. Okay, nice. Now let's just skip throughout the next stages. Okay guys, I got 2 new cats. Axe cat and gross cat. Now let's go beat the next stage. Wait, but before that, let's go buy some upgrades. I think I will buy the worker cat raid, so I can get more money. And let's also buy the wallet. Okay, now we are ready. Let's skip through the first part. Let's go, we got the gross cat. It's so tall. Holy moly, there is a new enemy. I will try to kill him by staking gross cat and tank cats. Let's go, we won. We unlocked a bunch of things. Oh, I got another ticket. Wow, and a golden one. Holy moly, we unlocked so many things. Let's enter the mission tab. We completed a mission, and we unlocked so many more. Let's see this cat capsule thing. Oh, here where I can spend my tickets. Let's try twice. Oh, I got an upgrade. Let's use it. It upgraded my cat research speed. Oh my god, I got a super huge cat. Let's unlock it. Yes. Okay, now let's try the golden one. Okay, we got a rare cat. Let's let it in the storage for now. Here is the cat. Now let's go upgrade the worker cat raid and the study. Okay, now let's hop into the next stage. As always, I will skip the start. Okay, now we can get the giant cat. We only need money. Okay, let's get it. Oh my god, it's so huge. Let's see how it will kill the enemies. Oh my god, it does splash and kills them in one shot. And its attack animation is so cool. It's taller than the gross leg cat. Bro just soloed the whole stage. This cat is broken. The only problem is that it costs 1300 XP. That's why I will upgrade my wallet. Okay guys, I think this will be it for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit like and sub, and see you in the next episode. Bye.
What the dog doing?